120 words per minute. Get ready. Start. In the case of M oblique S, paper and board converters within bracket supra bracket close, a challenge was laid to an order of the Facilitation Council in bringing the proceedings under section 18 of the Act, 2006 to an end by placing reliance on an existing arbitration agreement between the supplier and the buyer. Stop. A division bench of this court, after taking a conspectus of the provisions of the Act, 2006 and the object which it seeks to achieve, in paragraphs 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 of the judgment, held as follows. Stop. Para. Certain salient aspects of section 18 would merit emphasis. Stop. Subsection within bracket 1 bracket close of section 18 provides for a reference to the Micro and Small Enterprises Facilitation Council, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, by any party to a dispute, with regard to any amount due under section 17. Stop. Consequently, what section 18 within bracket 1 bracket close does, is to stipulate a statutory reference to the Facilitation Council for the resolution of disputes. Stop. Under subsection within bracket 2 bracket close, on receipt of a reference, the council shall either conduct a conciliation in the matter itself or seek assistance of any institution or center providing alternate dispute resolution services. Stop. Sections 65 to 81 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996 are to apply to such a dispute. Stop. Subsection within bracket 3 bracket close provides for the consequences if the conciliation is not successful. Stop. Once the conciliation proceeding is terminated without any settlement, the council has one of the two courses of action open. Stop. The council may either itself take up the dispute for arbitration or refer the dispute to an institution or center providing alternate dispute resolution services for such arbitration. Stop. Thereupon, the provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996 apply as if the arbitration was in accordance with the provisions of section 7 within bracket 1 bracket close of the Act of 1996. Stop. Subsection within bracket 3 bracket close of section 18, therefore, contains a statutory reference to arbitration. Stop. This is not dependent on the existence of an arbitration agreement in the contract between the parties. Stop. Para. Under subsection within bracket 4 bracket close of section 18, this position is made abundantly clear because it stipulates that notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, the Facilitation Council or the center providing alternate dispute resolution services shall have jurisdiction to act as an arbitrator or conciliator under this section in a dispute between a supplier located within its jurisdiction and a buyer located anywhere in India. Stop. Para. The petitioner invoked the provisions of the 2006 Act by filing a reference to the Facilitation Council on 3rd October, 2011. Stop. There was undoubtedly a dispute between the petitioner and the respondents in regard to the claim of the petitioner arising out of non-payment of its bills. Stop. The respondents appointed a sole arbitrator on 5th October, 2011 after the petitioner had invoked the intervention of the Facilitation Council on 3rd October, 2011 under section 18 of the 2006 Act. Stop. Once the jurisdiction of the Facilitation Council has been validly invoked, the Council has exclusive jurisdiction to enter upon conciliation in the first instance, and after conciliation has ended in failure, to refer the parties to arbitration. Stop. The Facilitation Council could either have conducted the arbitration itself or could have referred the parties to a center or institution providing alternate dispute resolution services. Stop. The Facilitation Council was clearly in error in entertaining the objection filed by the respondents and referring the petitioner to the sole arbitrator so designated by the respondents. Stop. Para. The non-obstante provision contained in subsection within bracket 1 bracket close of section 18 and again in subsection within bracket 4 bracket close of section 18 operates to ensure that it is a facilitation council which has jurisdiction to act as an arbitrator or conciliator in a dispute between a supplier located within its jurisdiction and a buyer located anywhere in India. Stop. The Facilitation Council had only one of the two courses of action open to it, either to conduct an arbitration itself or to refer the parties to a center or institution providing alternate dispute resolution services stipulated in subsection within bracket 3 bracket close of section 18. Stop.